I am Adam from Tru-Armor. This is a Tru-Armor install guide for our UL Level 3 ballistic paneling for most makes and models. For a single door install, basic shop tools will be needed along with 3 air wedges, a few shims, and 4 1/4" by 1/2" pop rivets with washers. Today, we're going to demonstrate the installation process on this 2022 Ford F-Series pickup truck. Before beginning the armoring process, you must have your door entirely disassembled. This is done so you have more room to operate within the door. To begin the process, we cut out the adhesive material between the door skin and the crash bars. This is done so the panel maximizes coverage and window clearance. Using an air wedge here creates space for easier removal of material. You should remove as much adhesive as possible. On this vehicle, we slid the paneling down through the window opening and wedged it between the crash bars. Align the door handle openings during your test fit to make sure everything aligns accurately. We test fit the door handle itself to ensure everything fits and operates properly before we install the door paneling with adhesive, securing them in place. In some cases, when installing on certain makes and models, the handle and lock assemblies may not fit perfectly and will require additional trimming to ensure an accurate fit and finish. After everything has been tested, remove the door handle and your test fitted paneling. Now we begin our final install. We first slide down the bottom paneling between the lower crash bar and the door skin until it fits flush with the bottom of the door. Before sliding the panel all the way down, apply glue to the bottom of the panel so it adheres to the door skin. Now once in place, glue along the top of the panel as well. Once applied, slide the top piece behind the upper crash bar, similar to our test fit. There should be roughly 2 inches of overlap between the two panels, and the top panel should reach the top of the door. Then glue the two panels together in a zigzag pattern. To get the final piece inside the door panel, air wedge the upper crash bar. Before sliding the panel all the way up, glue to where the panels overlap. Now in order for the glue to bond properly, apply pressure to the areas glued. In our demonstration, we utilize 2x4s, scrap wood, shims, and the air wedges. This pressure should be applied for at least 24 hours. After the curing period has passed, reinstall the parts within the door. Before putting on the outer door card, install the final piece of paneling right over the door handle cutout using 4 1/4" by 1/2" pop rivets with the washers. Existing door hardware may be used for additional fastening. Each rivet and washer should be as close to all 4 corners of the material as possible and needs to secure the panel to the metal door. Finally, apply the outer door card to finish the install. If you have any questions, please contact us or visit us at Tru-Armor.com.